Hello. Oh, hello there, my wonderful friend. Welcome to this beautiful space of learning. Today, David, my heart is just overflowing because we are going to explore two of the most magical words in the English language, some and any.
Oh, Emily, I can feel your energy. I have been waiting all week for this. I always see these two words everywhere, but I want to truly feel them. I want to know their soul.
Warmly. That is the spirit, David. That is exactly how we learn. Think of some as a warm, golden ray of sunshine. We use some when we are talking about something positive, something that exists. It's like saying, I have some beautiful dreams.
Thoughtfully, I have some beautiful dreams. Oh, I love that. So it's like a positive embrace. If I see a basket of apples, I can say there are some apples in the basket, right?
Precisely. You've got it. Whether it is something you can count, like apples, or something you can't, like water or love, some is your friend in positive sentences. I have some water, or I have some hope. Can you feel the positivity?
I can. It feels so abundant. But Emily, what happens when the light goes away? What happens when we are talking about something missing?
Softly and dramatically. Ah, that is when we meet any. Any is the word we use for the shadows, for the negative sentences. When something is not there, we reach for any. We say, I don't have any worries, or there isn't any milk in the fridge. Oh, so some is the yes and any is the no. I don't have any money, but I have some time. Radiantly. Exactly. You are a natural. But wait, there is more to the story of any. Any is also a traveler. It loves to go on adventures and questions. Intrigued. In questions, tell me more. Do I use any whenever I'm curious about something? Nodding vigorously. Mostly yes. If you were asking if something exists, you use any. Do you have any questions? Or is there any coffee left? It's like searching for a hidden treasure. With great interest. Do you have any questions? That makes so much sense. But wait, thoughtfully, I remember hearing someone say, would you like some tea? Why did they use some in a question? Clapping her hands. Oh, David, what a brilliant observation. You have found the secret exception. We use some in questions only when we are offering something or asking for something nicely. Incredibly impressed. No way. So because I want you to say yes to the tea, I use the positive word some? With deep warmth. Yes, exactly. It's an invitation. If I say, would you like some help? I am wrapping my question in a warm blanket of some. It's an act of kindness. With excitement. That is just incredible. Grammar isn't just rules, it's about how we feel and what we want to share with others. Can I have some sugar? Because I'm hoping for a yes. Beaming. You have moved me to tears, David. That is the most beautiful way to put it. You are not just learning English, you are learning to connect your heart to your words.
Humbly, I feel so much more confident now. I used to be so afraid of making mistakes with these little words.
Encouragingly. Oh, never fear any mistakes, David. Mistakes are just the stepping stones to greatness. Remember, use some for your yes and your offers. Use any for your no and your questions.
With high energy, I'm going to go practice right now. I'm going to find some friends and see if they have any time to talk.
Yes, go forth. I am so incredibly proud of you. Your journey is just beginning, and it is glowing with some amazing possibilities.
Gratefully, thank you, Emily. This was more than a lesson. It was a gift.
Warmly. You are very welcome. Until next time, keep your heart open and your English shining. Goodbye for now. Oh, hello there, my wonderful, brilliant student David. Welcome to this beautiful space of learning. Today, my heart is just overflowing with excitement because we are going to master something truly special together.
Emily, your energy is absolutely contagious. I have been looking forward to this moment all day. My notebook is open and my mind is even wider. What is the beautiful mystery we are solving today?
Today, David, we are going to stop the confusion forever. We are diving deep into the magical world of some and any. These two little words are like the heartbeat of a sentence, aren't they?
Oh, they truly are. But Emily, I must admit, sometimes I feel a little lost. I find myself hesitating. My heart wants to say some, but my brain whispers any. It feels like a tiny bridge I am afraid to cross.
Oh, David, do not be afraid. That hesitation only shows how much you care about the beauty of your English. Think of it this way. Some is like a warm, sunny hug. It is positive. It is about things that exist right here, right now.
A sunny hug? I love that. So, if I am happy and I see beautiful flowers, I should say, I see some flowers?
Precisely. You've got it. You are looking at the world and seeing what is there. I have some ideas. I see some friends. It is the language of abundance and light.
That feels so peaceful. But what about any, Emily? Is any the shadow to our sun?
What a poetic way to put it. Any is what we use when we are searching or when something is missing. We use it for questions and for negative sentences. It is like an open door looking for an answer.
Oh, let me try. So if my fridge is empty, which is a very sad thought, I would say I do not have any milk.
Yes, exactly. You are describing a space where the milk should be, but isn't. You are using any to show that absence. You are becoming a master of expression already.
This is incredible. Some for the yes and any for the no or the maybe. But Emily, I heard someone ask, would you like some coffee? Why did they use some in a question?
Oh, David, you have such a sharp mind. That is the golden rule of kindness. When we offer something or when we ask for something we expect a yes to, we use some. It makes the question feel like a gift.
Gasping softly, like a gift? So by saying some, I am being more welcoming?
Warmly. Exactly. If I ask, do you have any water? I am just looking for information. But if I say, would you like some water? I am opening my heart to you. I am inviting you to share in what I have.
That is just beautiful. It is not just grammar, Emily. It's about how we connect with people. I feel like I finally understand the soul of these words.
You are making me so proud, David. You see, English isn't just rules. It's a way to show who you are. Can you imagine how much more confident you will feel now?
I can feel it already. It's like a light has been turned on in a room that was a bit dim. I don't have any more doubts. Or should I say, I have some newfound confidence.
You are using both perfectly in one breath. You are a star, David, a shining, brilliant star.
Humbly but excitedly. I couldn't have done it without your encouragement, Emily. You make every word feel like a story worth telling.
And your story is just beginning, my friend. Remember, every time you speak, you are painting a picture. Use some to paint the sunshine, and use any to explore the unknown.
I will. I will practice this every single day. I will look for some joy, and I won't let any fear stop me from speaking.
What a powerful sentiment. You have moved me deeply today, David. Go out there and shine. Your English is a gift to the world.
Thank you, Emily. This has been absolutely wonderful. I am ready.
And I am always here cheering for you. Until next time, keep that beautiful heart open.